Welcome to Unix and Linux lab exercise 3. In this experiment we have to create some shell program. Like in the first question we have to write a shell script to print the Fibonacci series. So for that let me open Fibonacci series program. So this is the Fibonacci series program. So in the first line I am echoing enter n. So it will prompt user enter the value of n. So read n, it will take the value of n. Now initially I have substituted f1 value and f2 value as 0 and 1. After that I am echoing f1 and f2 value. Then after that I am running a for loop between 0 to n minus 2. Then I am putting the value f1 plus f2 in the variable s, and through bc command this expression will get added, and then after that I'm echoing the value of s. Now after printing the value of s, I'm changing the content of f1 and f2. I'm changing the f1 value with the f2 value and f2 value with the s value. So this is the Fibonacci series program. So let's see the output of this program. So we have to enter some value. So I will enter 5. So 0 1 1 2 3. This will be the output of this program. And in the next program we have to write a shell script to find the sum of the series. So this is the program for sum of the series. Now we know there is a formula to find the sum of the series. Now first I will get the value from the user n value, then I am printing, then I am storing 0 value in s, then I am running a for loop between 1 to n. After that I am echoing, I am storing s plus I into I value in the s variable. After that I am echoing I into I, then after that I'm uh, printing the value of sum. So this is the sum of the series program. So let's see the output. So I have to write some odd number. Suppose I have written 3. So 1 square plus 3 square, it will show 10. So this is the answer of this program. In the next program we have to write a shell script to check the given number is Armstrong or not. So for that let me open the Armstrong program. So this is the Armstrong program. So first I am getting the input from the user, then I am inserting 0 value in count variable and same n value in m variable. Now I am running a while loop. If m is greater than 0, so we know what is Armstrong number. Suppose I have given a number 153. So 153 consists of three numbers, and each cube of its number, the sum of the cube of its number will equal to the original number. So 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube will equal to 153. So that number will called as Armstrong number. So in the while loop, same thing I am doing. I am putting m by 10 in m variable and count plus 1 in count variable. Then after that I am putting the value of n in m variable and 0 in arms. So while m is greater than 0, I am putting remainder equals to echo m mod 10. So the remainder will become the number mod 10. Then power equals to remainder power count. Then arms equals to echo arms plus power. So I'm getting the sum of the remainder and the cube of the numbers. Then after that I'm giving m equals to echo m by 10. So suppose 153 is the number, so 153 by 10. So now next time in the next iteration 15 will be the number. And if arms equals to m, so at the last of the while at the end of the while loop we'll get one number. If the newly generated number is equal to the original number, then we can say it's a Armstrong, otherwise it is not a Armstrong. So let's execute this program. Suppose I have given 153, it will show it's a Armstrong number. Suppose I have given some other number like 143, it will print it's not an Armstrong number. So this was the third experiment, third program. The fourth program, we have to check whether the given number is palindrome or not. So suppose we have given a number like 1 to 1, so its reverse will also equal to the original number. So that number will called as palindrome number. So let me open that program. So this is the palindrome program in palindrome shell program. So I'm getting the number from the, I'm getting n from the user, then I'm putting n in m, and I'm inserting 0 in reverse value. So and after that I'm running a while loop. So remainder same thing, remainder equals to echo m mod 10, then through bc it will perform this operation, then reverse equals to echo reverse into 10 plus remainder. So this is the formula for getting the reverse. Then after that I am giving m equals to echo m by 10. Suppose I am given 1 to 1 number, so 1 to 1 divided by 10, so at the next iteration the number will become 12. So if the newly generated number is equal to old number, suppose first original number I have given as 121, and after reversing the number I'm also getting 121, so it will print it is a palindrome number, otherwise it will print it is not a palindrome number. So let me execute this program. So suppose I am writing 121, it will show it's a prime number, it's a palindrome number. Suppose again I have given this input, it will show it's a palindrome number. So this was the palindrome programming. And in the fifth question we have to find whether the number is prime or not. So let me open that program. So this is the program. So first we are getting the first range. So user has to give two numbers, first number and second number, and between that number we have to find the prime number. So we'll take two number n1 and n2, then we have initialized count as 0. After that we are echoing prime numbers between n1 and n2 are, then we are running a for loop between n1 and n2. So we know what is prime number. uh, so we are running a for loop inside a for loop. So j equals to 2, so we know prime number starts with the number 2. That's why we are starting initializing this number with 2. So now we are giving if I mod j equal to 0, then echo count plus 1, and then after that we are giving finish. If count equals to 0, then echo I finish. So count echo. So if the if count equals to 0, then we are printing I, it means that number is a prime number, otherwise we are printing 0, that it means it's not a prime number. So let me execute that program. Suppose I have given first number as this and second number as 9, so it will show me the prime number as 5 and 7. So between 5 and 9 the prime numbers are 5 and 7. So this was the prime number program. And in the next program we have to write a shell script to sort an element in of an array. So to sort an array, first let me open that program. So this is the array program. So first we are getting the size of an array, then we are inserting that n values in an array. So for sorting in ascending order, we'll run the loop from 0 to n. So after that, here we have used bubble sorting method. So we'll compare first element with the second element. If the first number is greater than the second number, then the first number will go to the right side, and then these two numbers will get swapped. If suppose the first number is smaller than the second number, then they will not get swapped. So this is the bubble sort. So in sorting arrays ascending order, we have run the loop from 0 to n, and in descending order same thing we have done, but we had run the loop from n to 0, so that we'll get descending order, array in descending order. So at last, at last, using for loop we are printing the content of the array. So suppose we want to print the array in ascending order, then it will print ascending order, and suppose if we want to print array in descending order, then it will print the array in descending order. So let me show you the output. So suppose I have given size as 5 and elements like 5, 2, 3, 1, 4. Now it will show the array, sorted array in ascending order and descending order. So this was the third exercise in Unix and Linux lab. So thank you for watching this video.